net ngathola isifamily yami umnika ama-drugs so that day umdala kimi but kuyomenza sure ukuthi mina ungishaya ngibulala. But I will never, I told you. Because the effect is, angeke uthi ukhule nomuntu okhulele phambi kwakho uzomnika into wrong. Mabra mina ngithi ngiqale ngami. Mina ngize ngingafuni ama-drugs. Mina ngisabe induku. Ubaba mbekane induku. Baba wami ubeka street. And by that time ubaba maka street umama beyangakhona nokumela. Mau wrong, umama mbekazi uzokwazi sazokududuza athi wrong lana la thula mntana.
Nawe kusasa ulibone.
Nawe ulibone kusasa liyiphutha. You understand? Ipoint lakho lihle kakhulu and li right. The fact is iqiniso. Ikumele ukuthi inkinga umntwana. Okay, umntwana kune stage la kumele atshelwe khona ukuthi man sinobabakho ngabe uhlala nomama sinobabakho amtshele iqiniso. Then ilelo elizozama ukuthi umntwana at least uzokhona ukuthi naye
alibone
even noma afika kuwe baba.
Lala sobe sewuthi ambulala be.
Things ama-speculating ngomakhosha na.
Leyo bengifuna
we leave no stone unturned.
Government is allowing, I'm not political, but I will try to illustrate, just to illustrate. Government is allowing us, it's allowing other people to sell the drugs. How? Government, abanye abantu bazoze bathi ngine problem.
No.
Okay.
Talk, they will talk. They always talk. You know, don't worry about people.
This thing in a sandla, especially from the top management in South Africa, even if it's from WhatsApp, in a sandla, this thing, you understand?
Yes.
Nikulera la secunda, yabona in secunda is surrounding drugs now.
Too much.
Even environment is surrounding drugs. So if it's up around in Mpumalanga, the one who pete amalon, ama police. If he or she can do legislation, how are we going to end up? And then how are we going to work with community? Because if you try to work with community, some other people for SAP, they try with Yanamai, they come back to you and kill you.
Of course.
You understand?
Yes.
So, in the drugs, igu government. Mina, put an government. Government, agazame ukuthi aqinise isap yakhe. Because even if you can go and check persons selling the drugs and go and tell the police, no man, we've got some persons who buy some drugs. Yeah. You understand? And some of them, we know them.
Yes.
Abanye basekazi. Omunye ngeke ngamtshela ngathi net ngathola isifamily yami umnika ama-drugs so that day umdala kimi but kuyomenza sure ukuthi mina ungishaya ngibulala. But I will never, I told you. Because the effect is angeke uthi ukhule nomuntu okhulele phambi kwakho uzomnika into wrong. So mina ngithi isap yala eMpumalanga sekhona especially la ku Geritsebane. Mabangazama ukuhlala phansi. Baqale baqede that corruption la kibo. Then enzansi izoba right. So that is why in English we said the fish start to be rotten at heat.
At heat.
At heat.
Hate or heat.
Hate.
Or hate in trouble. Yeah.
Okay. The fish start to be rotten at heat.
Yeah, I don't know that saying or phrase.
Ifish iqala ukubona enhloko ba.
Yeah.
Inhloko uyazi iyephethe. So
kwakhawatheka
ikhanda kuyalenzansi vele. Yeah, lo shave usongena yonke umzimba. Angithi ungenela inhloko. So kumele uqale uphume la inhloko kucala.
Yeah, because ngibuza ngoba when you say you blame the government but when you didn't fall to the trap of drugs, why when I didn't fall but others they fall on the trap? That's why is the government to be blamed or is the way you were raised or parents or ganjani? Because when I didn't fall on that, so why do we have to blame a government where else you survived that?
Yes. Mina ngithi ngiqale ngami. Mina ngize ngingafuni kuma drugs. Mina bengisabe induku. Ubaba mbekane induku. Baba wami ubeka street. And by that time ubaba maka street umama beyangakhona nokumela. Mau wrong, umama mbekazi uzokwazi sazokududuza athi mara u wrong lana la thula mntana.
Nawe kusasa ulibone le.
Nawe ulibone kusasa liyiphutha. You understand? So indlela umzali angamkhulisa umntwana ngendlela eright. Njengoba ngisho ukuthi mina baba mbeka street. Ngimsaba vele. Cabanga and sometimes ubaba bekanani into ukuthi makwasha ama-shirt over the weekend afuna ukuchecka ukuthi uyabhema. Umama akhipha ama-shirt bakakhona vele ezela adozala letha wonke ama-shirt amhlophe awa-check ikhwameni la
ukuthi awana
lokwaye ngithi
uyasala la.
Yeah, uzosala la. Then maka wa-check-a ngizibuza why u-check-a baba bayithulela. So ngirealize nami sengimdala ukuthi okay.
Then awuthi beyi-check into ekanje.
Awuthi beyi-check into ekanje. Abazali ukuze abantwana abanye bangene ema-drugsini. Umzali umntwana umkhulisa ngendlela right. Net effect is umntwana kumele ukuthi umlandelele. Umdiscipline umcheck. Okay, nowadays corporal punishment yaphela.
So actually getting back to government. So because now ngoba government yaqeda corporal punishment.
Yes.
Eskela obviously ukuthi abantwana banama right ukuthi abasashayo. So lapho okay, yeah, I can give you that ukuthi government inesandla. Because I believe ukuthi nami the only reason I didn't smoke or ngihambe nabantu ebabhemayo 99 egazi is because of nami uchama la ngishaya only bengenza grade 7 vele bengifika grade 7 base sinika lama crayon lawo eplanka ngisho bespanisa lawo mafutha kanje then grade 7 back in the days basigaya lawo eplanka ngathatha leli mhlophe la phambili ngalikraya
red yes it's like
ndayimuva ngaliraba ngalenza laba ngathugwaje mangifika endlini ngiphethe riding lawo ngishaya ngathi ngibhema ugwayi then ngabona ukuthi next time azongithola nogwayi
ingiyangibulala.
That is when ngayekela yonke into ukuthi okay fine angeke ngiphinde vele ngoba lo muntu ungishaya ngingabhemi ngithi ngizenza uclever nami yabona. So actually it works lento yakudala ukuthi abantwana bashawe. So that is why now sinabantu ababhaya ebaphuma abantwana ababhaya more especially we speak of ama 2000 ukuthi baphuma endleleni is because of abasashayo sebaphatha soft.
Injalo awuthami enenye into ukuthi umzali umntwana mongamlandeleli ungazi ngomntana wakhe ukuthi wenzakalani. Umntwana vele uend up akulona. Although okwamanje abantwana ama 2000 sebakhulayo abazali babo sebafundile. Yithi kuphela ama 80s tholakala ukuthi umzali wakho mawuthi atlethe incwadi avela adlulise
akacavi for
manje lo manje angeke umbhuqe ubaba. You understand? The 2000 angeke limbhuqe i70 something. Baba ke ithatha incwadi if is a maths uyayithatha bona ukuthi x mele simsolve kaso. You understand?
Plus there is internet manje ungakhona ukugugula whatever le ofuna homework incedeke ngakhona nawe
there's
knowledge at the same time.
Yes, because umntwana kuze angene kwizintweni ezirong ukuthi awumlandeleli. Umntwana zama ukuthi umuphi support. Makaya esikolweni try ukuthi ubone ukuthi kwenzakalani, especially kune ATP that we call a annual teaching program. Hamba nesyllabus somntwana uyayibona. So umntwana akazami ukuthi umbuze ukuthi ama activities ayenza kanjani. So laba abanye abangena ema-drugsini utholakala ukuthi umntwana umama akekho emntwaneni. Umntwana as long yena makhipha imali athi mihambe esikolweni.
Pay school fees,
ubhadala school fees sharp. Ukuthi umntwana uperforma ngayiphi indlela akangeni lapho umama. Akazicheck incwadi zomntwana. Umntwana utholakala ukuthi enenye into sitholakala ukuthi kuba nama young teenagers pregnancy. Ukuthi umama akamlandeleli umntwana. Akayihamba indlela umama mele uhamba step somntwana angithi mntanakho. Although that is why my father was used to tell me ukuthi you don't have a right makuqala le ndaba yama right baba mathi as long you live in this under this roof
right,
you don't have a right here.
Right
iphelele gate mongene ile strategi. Then kwatholakala ukuthi izinye izinto masizibona njengoba bangena ema-drugsini ngithe masengimdala ngathi baba yazi wangisiza baba athi ngakusiza but khona wabhayiza kimi bheka namhlanje ukuthi kubi
and the last chapter almost
is the last chapter wena ezinye izinto uzenzile but ku last chapter la sekumele uzimele
ufuna ukushesha wena kahle kahle
so uzimele ngenyawo zakho zoyi2 thathe liwani unyawo ulifake emanzini
elinye uliyeka khona.
So indaba yama drugs in fact nowadays i-top i-high yomele ukuthi thina somphakathi sizame ukuthi sibambisane.
Yeah, otherwise we're not gonna beat that problem.
So kumele ukuthi thina somphakathi sizame ukuthi sikhulume nama station commander. Ama station commander enze ingasingathini enze iqembu elizodila nama drugs.
But it's gonna be difficult because if you take a look now lo umkhwanazi what is he doing in KZN?
Yes.
Sebazama ukumbloka bona abantu beSEPS. So yabona ukuthi makuhluleka abomkhwanazi who are we thina esilaphansi esingasimaphoyisa which is the community because asithi si community maybe number si 50 then 2 of our members bayashona ngenye indlela engekho sharp. So surrender.
Yes.
Of course because we're not even getting paid.
Yes.
Why we have to ukuthi siriske impilo zethu ngale ndlela le yabona. So ngifuna getting back to endabeni zabantwana because khona ngifuna uku-emphasize because when it comes to parenting, more especially when abazali they're separated.
Yes.
Because I'm talking about this because it's something that I'm facing. Which at some point, ma umzali or ichama or oledi unengosi nizikhulisa like nenza parental whatever nihlanganisayo.
Yes, I understand.
So umntwana kwesinye isikhathi usenokuthi abe ne-beef ne-timer bese uba good terms ne-oledi, abe ne-beef ne-oledi bese uba good terms ne-time. And lokho kudalwa yini ukuthi because of i-oledi ne-timer
stick it together.
Exactly.
Yes.
Because at the end of the day umntwana onjalo angeke uzomenze next. Because the moment ucala uba nenkinga nayo ugijimela ku-time, the moment uba nenkinga ne-oledi uranela
kumama.
Exactly. Because the problem le engiyifacile, because at the end of the day ugcine so give up because awukhona ukuzi-understand ukuthi am I doing right or am I doing wrong?
Yes.
Because you never know ukuthi noma afika ku-oledi bamtshela ukuthi u-wrong by doing this or ichama lakho liyahlala. Manje ngoba ma uyichama at the end of the day ubona ukuthi na let me just give up and let God deal with everything because I don't want to be ukuthi kusasa banginene. Exactly. Because you're trying so hard to kubonisa umntwana wakho ukuthi this is wrong, this is right. Yet there is umama at the end of the day ongeke azakhona ukuthi ambonise ngendlela esharp. Because ngizibuza izinto ama-question abhaya ukuthi does she go to school? Because I don't know ukuthi uyayora kayo. Sometimes you don't even know ukuthi uphasi uka-grade bani, no. So you see ezinye zezinto boni co-parent kuba i-problem because umntwana lapho vele uzophuma endleleni angeke umazi ukuthi uyele or ile kusasa uzothi ku-time akayanga ku-time.
Bafanele.
Exactly.
Uye emantombazaneni.
Uyabona. So ezinye zenkinga most to abazali benza ama co-parenting. Inkinga ezinjalo kumele baziface. They need to stick together and work together as umama nobaba. Kungabi ukuthi i-time umntana makafika la kimi mama yakho uyahlala. Yangithola. Kumele ngimtshele makathi umntana afike la kimi mathi umama wenza so ngithi u-right. So that naye makafika azobona ukuthi usharp. Because at the end of the day that's the problem that I'm facing mina personally and I don't know what way is it going to end up to. It might happen ukuthi they end up doing good, it might happen ukuthi they end up doing bad.
Exactly.
But ngiyekele zonke izinto to God, maybe uzonza ngendlela correct.
To second on that point my brother ne. Kule ndaba yami ukuthi umama umntana nami ezinye izinto ngiyaziblame. Akhani ukuthi ngablame ugele kwesinye isikhathi. Ezinye izinto nami ngiyaziblame ngokungabi neqiniso. Uyabona ayikho into ebuhlungu ukuthi up until uzofonela ekhaya mama ukhona uThepha ayuThepha uthe uza lapho. Uyayibona into njengale. Njengoba usho ukuthi umntwana mina I was playing other game. Mhlambe ngiyihlalela egesaza ngikhalela kuyandawo. Ngifuna ukuyela la ngiyela khona. Ngiqamba mangeza. Hayi nini mama ngisaye ngiyagogo. Nini ngifone ngala mina ngiyikhaya. Uyayibona into njengale. So umntwana ukuze ukuthi abe in the middle ungatholi iqiniso. Umntwana makathola isupportive yomzali either uyasebenza or awusebenzi but umntwana kumele uzame ukuthi abe nesupportive.
Because that's the only thing more than material stuff.
Yes.
Ukuthi ube there and umsupport umntwana wakho by all means. Yabona but njengoba ngisho ukuthi abantwana abamanje like as the situation that I'm facing, how are you going to fix that unless you let God's will do everything?
Mapra yabona communication between the separate parents it needed in that particular time. Even if aphuma endlini ngo6 athi ngiyakababa ningaxabana but ngecommunication umntwana kumele ukuthi nixabane.
And that's easy because manje angisho ansekho ku relationship. The only thing umntwana uthi uyeza lapho umfonela makafika vele makafika okay sure ufike futhi manje sikunama WhatsApp uya
WhatsApp.
That's fucking simple.
That is so much simple bra. Because if steps somntwana even if noma aya asuka kuwe baba aya kumama ngabe uhlala nawe baba uyasho ukuthi umntwana uyeza but be careful wena so wenze kumama be careful yazi umntwana wakho wenza 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 ngicela umgade kuleso situation ukuthi yena my cause mina ngapha sengimbambe ngesandla sensimbi esiso so ngapha ngicela ungalegisi
exactly because mawuzo uzolegisa
uvula le yabobo le ukuthi lo uyabeda lo no right lo umntwana uthanda lana ekwehlela khona la ngathi kuyakhuphukela khona that is why uthola la kwehlela khona utholakala ukuthi abantwana abaningi mongahlala phansi bra uyahamba ayilokishini esekunda laba bheminyawo laba bahlala nabo gogo
ngoba vela bogogo baba spoiler abantwana
yeah nginotisile mina nginokuthi ngihleli sometimes mangigrant ngesithengo nokubabiza ngihlale nabo kusemachita zwakala especially laba abanye ngibazi kusemachita zwakala
lezi izinkawu
yeah izinkawu zayo very sharp ngitaye nali clip amachita wena uzobhema nobani uzobhema nobani hayi angeke sibheme si3 sibhema nga2 ngito right nayi 150 si6
yeah
bese uhlala nabo babuze and said mina Brian ish aziphethu mina ish uyayibona into le and most of the people that they are there some of them they are much intelligent
of course most of them yeah because
so
okay yeah
thina somphakathi ukuze ukuthi listing sizama ukuyiceda yama drugs yona ibhlungu iyakhalisa mfethu indaba yama drugs thina singazama somphakathi nathi siphethwe emhlabeni kahle abantu abasiphethe yiyo lesapho because thina sizothi masisenza so bathi is a public violence the justice is a mob justice you understand
of course yeah
so moya kibo lesapho bayandlula nsinge eveni bathatha 20 rand bayahamba bathatha 50 rand bayahamba uyavela umntana umaziyo okhulele phambi kwakho umazi anomfana beka blind ngebola lo mfana beka blind ngamanje ubonakala kuphi no it's not like that uyayithatha 20 rand uyandlula hamba omunye no the last break ngabe siyashuta omunye kwathengiselwa naphambi kwamaphoyisa
iyona
le lento ebhenywayo siyazi enye igama la kwathengiselwa naphambi kwamaphoyisa ashada 100 rand omunye angena ngale goqo lo omunye usho uyavula uyathengisa lezi zinto yasabukana sathi mara amaphoyisa so ade hey mhlwele na ipulaye yena
so other than ukuthi mhlambe we need to check i-subs management yini mhlambe ama development engenziwa eKasi or esinye strategy sokufundisa egele ezingenza ukuthi mhlambe nangabe umntwana ohlulekile edladleni because back in the days but mohlulekile edladleni esigele bazoqondisa
yeah because usabendu
yeah so manje yini into mhlambe ucabanga ukuthi wena maybe ingenzeka emalokishini abhaya just ukuthi yehlise riding le dakamizwa
awuthami thina la embalenhle we are lucky sinama activities amaningi
namangala phela mangifika la kule kasi leli
yeah sinama activities amaningi sine social club kune gym kune rugby kune athletic is like swimming ayisekho manje ma cricket tennis volleyball we understand soccer even social secondary club kunama team around kunama lawn the fact is umzali ake sicale ukuthi they say charity is at home umzali umntanakho makenza isikolo kuma grade 12 grade 11 umntanakho yazi ukuthi umntanakho ngasiphi isikhathi wenza angithi uyamthengela ifoni uma semsebenzini mothola chance ngabe usefemini mothola chance smoking your 30 phone WhatsApp what are you doing you understand ukuphi you understand so uma umzali ukuze ukuthi ivikeleke this team kumele thina abazali sicale sidlala indima qala kanjani asizame ukuthi sicheck abantu bethu ukuphi ngasiphi isikhathi umntwana makaphuma esikoleni you know ukuthi une task yasendlini uyazi ukuthi makaphuma esikoleni walk from Kiratswana up until White City okay maybe it can be 20 minutes ashesha 20 minutes yabazi babaningi baphethe amabhegi yakhe la kwenziwa irace la endleleni sabandlula laba sabandlula bayafika White City yakho uyazi ukuthi okay by 2:30 sikasendlini okay by isikhathini esiso sika relaxile uqala ugeza izitsha ngabe uye esokheni nesoka if umntana akho adlala isoka try communicate ne coach each and everything ngabe uphethwe isambari try communicate dlulisa 1 day 2 days kunama WhatsApp kunama group chat I think umntana akho mangaseloneni mangasesokuso wakho coach une group chat yabazali
of course yeah
you understand maka ku tennis kune group chat yalapho so make it sure ukuthi ufikile eloneni umzali ukhona ufikile ucoach uyacheck makuphelile lonto umama kabani uWhatsAppile ya ufikile mama so uyacheck makaphuma esikoleni makaphuma training uyendlini uyazi nami sengiyashayisa ngofoni ngizomthola endlini don't umntwana ukhona thina abazali sometimes nathi nokuthi siyayiblame isapho mara ke sizame nathi ke siyiblame thina abazali
yeah from HRD
yeah ke sibona ukuthi nathi siziblame ngendlela enjani ngothi siblame isapho sifuna ukusetshenzela ake sizame nathi sicale ke sisebenze cala
but manje because of the rights and mangathi uya check umntwana maybe by age of 12 on the TikTok and things that are happening on social media. That's why they say what you consume yiyo into ezoyenza ukuthi ingqondo yakhe ibe lapho. And you know ukuthi sekunama YouTube channel wabantwana who do stuff, and obviously if things happen bazowenza whatever that is happening there. Thina sikhule kungeka bo TikTok kungekho nix. That's why mhlambe some impilo zethu zibe aligned because of ezinye izinto bezingaziboni besizwa nje because abanye sikhulu na TV endlini, so you never know with the easy Nike until you bona someone. So nowadays there is TikTok, kunama Nike, kunama challenges, so umntwana naye uzofuna ukuphuma endlini afana na whoever ambona ku TikTok. So if that doesn't happen, that's when ke mhlambe phela indaba zama anxiety, depression, mfethu mina ngisengaqeda isikole ongayicavi la ile ngithini.
Yeah,
but manje umntwana uka grade 9 uzokutshela nge-anxiety, nge-depression,
stress,
you see. So mfethu, before we quit now, maybe we're about to close the show. Mfethu, question engayibuza Mjita Ukraine. So yeah, Mjita, I don't know ukuthi mhlambe khona okunye usafuna ukusho mhlambe, what can you share ngamagama nje, any last words that you like to share in South Africa? What can you say?
So Mzansi, ngiyacela kakhulu bafethu, I'm begging you with all my heart, especially when it's coming to drugs. Guma youngsters. Guys, parents, let's try to wake up. Let's try ukuthi pick up amasokisi. I-youth yethu, ama-leader kusasa ayaphela. Ama-leader abuthabo Mbeki bakusasa, aboMandela bakusasa baphelele ema-drugsini, banye bangena etshwaleni. So as a parent, let's try to play our role. Kuze ukuthi ngena maye sibone ukuthi ngena maye impilo yethu yenza kanjani. Machita, sibuyele ngapha emjolweni. Emjolo niyayazi ingoma ethi imjolo yanyisa. So bafethu,
yakhakwa.
Asizameni bafethu ukuthi ngabe kuthunyelwa igundwane ngayo mhlambe siyalona. Ngaliyabuya isitsheli answer. But anyway bafethu, ake sizameni nathi ukuthi ngesibone sehlise le base bathini GBV. Lesizameni ukuthi sehlise GBV. Sizameni ukuthi uthando angazi alinamakhala. But anyway bafethu, masingayi at all sikhohlwe naba parents wethu, sikhohlwe nama family wethu. Asazi sibe ne task yama family wethu, then kube right. Youth, please guys, drugs is going to kill us.
I don't know into
Lizosibulala bafethi drugs. And le drugs niyaza akusintala ekhaya. Intala ekhaya ile yaseBhayibhelini lena yayishiwo lona. Nakhona yazi abogogo bangayifuni. Bakutshela bathi lo muntu ole ubhemisango ikoma ngafi.
Thina sazi ibenzini nawo chuchuchu.
Mfethu
izinto esikhweza la ekhaya.
So ama drugs asibhekeni kakhulu bafethu. Tshwala sibhekeni kakhulu. So mina engazama ukuthi uzicommit where you are, uthola information ukuthi ke namanje ama library niyabona manje everything seyikhona. Ama phone nawo, then ama data nawo all the time. So try ukuthi uthathe lelo data lakho, ungene ngabe ufunda isikole, ungene ku ATP, is an annual teaching program. So ukhona ukuthi uhambe ngelona, then impilo izoba right. So mina ngingasho kakhulu kukithi ukuthi ke namaye kunento eyiwani ngikhohlwayo. Bafethu ake siyekeleni indaba zokusula isihlukana. Sistress abantwana. Sistress abantwana.
Fora bakushubile belo ujide mfethu ayeke uhlalele.
Mfethu
the snacks.
Ngisho ukuthi le nto snacks mfethu i-create ubani.
No, yithi obvious. But sometimes njengoba usho ukuthi uthando liyaphela emntwini. So and mase liphelile angeke uzulforce. Mase ulforce la eish ugcina sowubuka kanje ngesilima, sowutshela nento ongamele utshele, ugcina sebakujeza to phela futhi manje kulula because umuntu vela kufaka i-protection on.
Awuthami yazi thina ngicela ukuyivala ngokuthini. Sidlala ngegama elibuhlungu uthando. Phela masidlala mawuthi yakuthanda, uthando uNkulunkulu.
Kahle.
So ma utshela umuntu ukuthi uyamthanda, umtshela ukuthi ugod wakhe. So let's try to stop that thing.
Yeah.
Asizameni ukuthi kena maye siyekeni nje ukuthi sikhohlisa abanye abantu. So ake sizameni ke starting kuma basic. So youth especially nina ningizwile kakhulu bafethi future ikini, impilo ikini. So bazali zamani kulandelela abantwana. If umntwana yenza imatric, makaqala manje maye sekuzostart uku-apply ama university. Some of them abacare. Mani banika lama 150 ukuthi apply imatric, uthole opportunity mina ikhaya imali angiyitholi. Isikhathi sokuthi nawe nami ngeke ngisatisfy ama friend wami, ngisatisfy unjabulo dala ngithengele ikota, ithi anga apply. Aphase kahle athola ama distinctions. Umzala zange ulandelele ukuthi ke namaye kanjani. January makumele ahambe ifoni ibhazari uthola ibhazari akana sikolo umntwana ahlale. So mzali each and everything enziwa umntanakho.
Checka
mzali. checker.
Yeah. So Mausa Kuruma bra raise elinye point because of which is something that I was thinking about emalangeni. Which in the next coming years, let's take for instance like 200 years.
Yes.
Like 2021-00. Who's gonna be a president yasemzansi or a president around the world? Because I'm a president is now manje. I'm a president bewakhona ku struggle, bewakhona ku history. But back in the like njengoba sibuyele like mangata check incosi ezizozalwa 2040.
Yes.
Of which mhlambe lo muntu lo by 2000 uzoba na
60 years. Yes.
Yeah. So lo muntu lo, what kind of a president are they gonna be? Because abana background ye history. Because now like South Africa sele naye ngibona ngathi umalema because at least naye unolwazi nyana because sometimes gokunye he was there. Because mangibheka politically ama president ngathi appoint based on ukuthi they were there before makuba nemizabalazo more especially la eMzansi nani. But kule minyaka le ezayo like 2080 ipresident yakhona mhlambe iyazalwa Vandag or mhlambe iyozalwa ngo20
in the next coming years
2030 or 40 years. So kuba ama president anjani because I've been asking myself how the world is it going to be because we see about Trump the way they do things and they were there before some of president wamanye ama countries because of they have money. So kahle i-president ezobe izalwa asithi uzale ngo2030 because there's no struggle, there's no nothing. How are they going to elect the president? Because nowadays it's all about they were there in the struggle.
My brother thing lena i-president ayifani nobukhosi. We understand ukuthi ubukhosi balana kaMasilela ukuthi vele behla ngokwehla.
Yeah, why.
Yazi nakamahlangu kunjalo, behla kanjalo. So ku-presidential this thing lena is a politic.
Yeah.
It raises most of the cases in politics. So when you said in coming years how the president is going to be, my brother, technology is going to be high. We are going to so we can't again see ukuthi iminyakeni ezayo president izoba njani.
That's so, what I'm asking myself because it's about ukuthi i-president beyazi lokhu yazi nalokhu and then njengoba ubona bafoma ama political parties based on ukuthi silwela ini but nowadays izinto eziba it's more like digital. So how are they gonna ingibambe off guard there and I didn't even come up with an answer because I'm sure there are people abazo ibona this thing and they have to nangabe umuntu akayifaka ngemqondweni you need to start to think about it now.
Yes.
How is it gonna be? Because based on mangachapeka ama president esibuya kiyo since from Bo Hitler they were struggling, they were fighting for umhlaba, they were fighting for that. But manje we have everything. So if a president is obakhona, how is he going to be elected? Njengo Mandela was elected because of the guy is so just loyal la eMzansi for freedom. Then balwa nabo bani, nabo Chris Hani, whoever, nabo Thabo Mbeki bewalapho, nabo Zuma nani. So manje lokho akusekho. Kahle should but it's too much.
It's going to be hectic and the other way impilo izoba ngakhona mfethu in next coming years nezinto ezishesha ngakhona. Yabona ngabe yangami mina ngangithi president yenziwe njengobukhosi
ukuthi ivaye
ngayivaya according njengobukhosi
njengoba mhlambe nangabe yimi engiphethe ngiyazi ukuthi lo uzozala
if you can notice from the ex-president when starting to renew freedom
Mandela
we understand then uye ku Thabo Mbeki we understand up until uze ku Zuma uze ku Ramaphosa then so i-president ingena kweminye imizi kwaba namanye amagama enye i-president yala emhlabeni ngengisho yathi yala eAfrica athi mina mangingena ku-presidential kumele uqale ngisebenzele mina nefamily yami before ngisebenzela uthi I can take 70% to my family 30% ku country then if ngaba nifuna ukungi-appoint again should nalo ozayo usawuqala asebenzele yena before usebenzele i-country. Why should ningangiyeki ngiqhubeke because although mina sengisebenzele maye sekhathi sengasebenzele i-country with fully so kulanga realize khona ukuthi okay kusayodlalwa ngomqondo wethu
too much
because manje siyavota umalemu uyasifuna uZuma uyasifuna ubani uyasifuna uyayibona into njengale uvuka amanye ama-party kuphi siyaconvince but by that time those people bebakuke party le erulayo namhlanje
All of them.
Most of them.
Yeah.
They're opening their part. What they know. We don't know that secret that they know. Why they opening their part?
And they won't give us in day one.
But
different parties.
So why should bangathi? No man, ngothi sekuphethe lona mhlanje. Nathi ake sishayeni umthetho besiqhubekeni cause sese.
Yeah, lo simnike that position dan ukuthi nivule amanye
amaphathi. No sekuthiwa no nathi athi sivule ethi party nami sengifuna uphathi. Uyayibo ukuthi ekugcineni kugcina ugijinyiswana kubanga lo president.
Yeah, vele. No, mfethu ngiyayizwa, but that's the topic for another day. Thank you kakhulu
mfethu. I thank you. Ozwile ku-youth unendlebe, abazali abazwile banendlebe, abantwana sibalandeleleni youth. Let's try ukuthi ke nama sisebenzele i-country yethu, sisebenzele i-future yethu. Ninga-endapi nami mina since bengikhuluma nani bafethu. If I can tell you, mhlawumbe sengigeza imoto ngiseparking, ngigeza imoto ngisebenza samara time, but ukuze ngibekise into etafuleni kumele ngiphume ngesekhunda fike ngigeza imoto ngiyophanda abantine ngibe grand. So youth, I think nizwile inkulumo yami, so try ukuthi ke nama niphakamisa amasokisi bafethu, ukuthi ke nama ikusasa na ungazitholi ukuthi impilo ikhambele kahle up until end up sokugeza imoto, or some of them end up sema-drugsini. Now sema-drugsini lapha ekhaya, make it sure ukuthi ke manje uyaphuma kizo mfethu, zama ama-activities, hambe kamasipala ubuze ukuthi ke nama leadership yenza njani, hambe ube active, uhambe emasaso club ubone ukuthi ke nama ikwenza kanjani, uhambe ema-GS bafethu sikhulelela e-South Africa, ngeke umunye umuntu afika azosifaka into esingayazi azosipoisona. So we are the South African, sibe proud ngoba South African wethu. So please guys, abaye esikolweni abaphandayo but ungaphandi ngendlela wrong cause amajele ayagqwala bafethu. So leyo mali iphuma kanzima ukuze ikhona ukuthi kuyondleka abantu abasemajele. So asizameni bafethu ngako konke. I beg you, youth of South Africa, even the youth of the whole country, let's make it sure bafethu drugs is not our culture. You know exactly guys, this thing into esiyikhe phezulu. Abakudlala ama-dice bafethu, ama-dice is not our culture. So thina sizameni ukuthi sibuyele emakhatsheni wethu. Khona abagidayo lena bafethu, hamba uyogida mntana omncane, khona abadlala iboxing, khona abadlala irugby, maningi ama-activities. Please guys. Anyway, thank you my brother. Thank you for your time, bro.
Sure. Bonga mina bro. Yeah guys, I hope indlebe idlile ke manje seyisuthi ngoba today it was about advice after advice. This is Wolf 925 signing out. You know, we're doing it like we're doing it for TV. Nomchitolele lapha. Angazi leleleni. Thina as South Africa, China ke as realigned team. See ready. Ukundiza zibelo. Signing out.
Shut guys.
You're pushing your palm, you're pushing your palm, you're fooling your vibe, you're fooling your vibe, pushing your palm, you're pushing your